how to install a quart kit of Indue TVU thick vertical urethane. So as the name implies, TVU is the thick version of our top coat that we use for our flooring, which is called Indue UTC urethane top coat. TVU is made to be installed over our Indue Crete WC or wall cove. Wall cove is the material that we use to put in coving along the floors and walls or around machine legs. Then we'll also go vertically up walls with it as well. We'll have a link on the end of this video showing you how to install wall cove. So some basic tools that you'll need include a clean mixing paddle, a clean mixing container, some solvent, box of rags, and if you'll be going up a wall, paint pan, roller cage and cover. We use a 3/8 inch nap on our roller covers. So the way we package a quart is you'll get 16 ounces of pre-tinted part B, some mixing instructions, 16 ounces of part A, a paintbrush, a mixing paddle, and a pair of rubber gloves. To mix up the kit, take the part A and pour it into a clean container. Then take the part B, add that into the container and use your paint stick to scrape out as much as you possibly can. Now mix this thoroughly for about a minute. Once this is mixed up, you'll have about a 20-minute pot life. So we're going to take this quart and install it over some wall cove that we installed outside at our shop here at Indue. Keep in mind this one quart will give you about 38 square feet, which works out to 150 square feet per gallon. And if you're going to be installing over coving like this, which is typical of how we install it, it's a 3-inch cove. It generally goes on a little bit thicker over the coving. You'll get about 100 lineal feet. So you just simply take the paintbrush and apply it over the coving like this. Of course, you can apply it over the wall the same way, or you can take the material, pour it into the paint pan, load up the roller, and apply it up the wall. Just a nice thin even coat, making sure there aren't any soak-ins. So at room temperature, this will be dry to the touch within about 4 hours. Full chemical cure will be 24 hours. And that's it. If you'd like to see one of our other how-to videos, click on one of these links or give us a call at 1-800-577-6213 or check us out at indue.com.